Welcome to Asenware. Today I will show you how to wire the expression-proof Strobe sounder to the conventional fire alarm control panel. Before wiring, we should remove the resistor from the bell 2 port of the panel, and we will turn off the button here and here. Firstly, we will open the Strobe sounder base and we will use wires to short circuit any adjacent ports, like this one and this one. And we will suppose these 2 ports is group A and these 2 ports is group B. Kindly note that these 4 ports don't distinguish from positive and negative, and we will use one wire from the Strobe sounder to connect with either port of group A and the other wire to connect with either port of group B. If the Strobe sounder is the last device in the zone, we will use a 6.8K resistor to connect in parallel. For the rest ports of group A and group B, we will use wires to connect with the bell 2 port of the control panel accordingly.